Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change to Celsius on Braun Thermoscan. Press and hold the power and mode buttons together for 3 seconds to toggle units. Start with a fully powered thermometer and ensure the probe cover is removed. Wait for the device to boot, then watch the display switch from Fahrenheit to Celsius. If it does not change, try swapping batteries or consult the quick start guide included with your unit. Many Braun Thermoscan models use the same unit toggle, but buttons can vary slightly between models. Locate the power and temperature mode buttons on the handle or back. If you see a small degrees symbol, press the mode button repeatedly until C appears. Use fresh batteries if the display is dim or unresponsive. Clean the probe gently and use only approved covers to ensure accurate readings after switching units. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for socks with a lifetime warranty and unbeatable comfort that saves you hassle on long shifts. I love the durability and they pair well with clinic scrubs or home life. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Some Thermoscan units remember your preferred unit after powering off, while others reset to factory defaults. To save time, change to Celsius and then complete a normal measurement to allow the device to store settings. For models with a lock or child mode, disable that feature first. Keep the manual handy for model-specific button combos and always handle the probe gently to avoid damaging sensors when swapping units regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.